Hey y'all, welcome back to the Sawmill. So today we're just gonna relax, hang out by the pool, have some adult beverages. Maybe I'll call my sister and see if her and her boyfriend want to come over and hang out. Maybe cook something on the grill and just have a nice, fun, relaxing
What are
Sunday.
you doing?
What?
We got work to do. Ain't no pool time today. We got to go to work. Come on, get your gloves. Let's go. We got fence to build. We're building a privacy fence around the sawmill today. Come on, let's go.
Guess I'm going to work. Going to work today. For a little while anyway. Today. So you can see we already have some privacy fence already up. We're gonna continue it on around. Hopefully make it to that light pole right there. We'll see. But we'll eventually tear that old shed down and take it on around and then take it on around our yard. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. So y'all stick around, see how far we get.
We're going to do something, even if it's wrong.
So, guess what? I got my way after all.
It ain't hard. Cold beer, hot wife in a bikini. Kind of easy decision, but we're going to work later. So.
Florida, so what's the purpose of having a pool if you're not going to use it, right?
That's right. Enjoy it.
Made a couple things for Wesley's parents. Made him a doormat for Mommy and Pa's house. Then we made his dad a straw hat, so when he's working in his garden and his peach orchard, he'll have something to cover his face and shoulders. So if y'all would like a doormat or a straw hat, we can put anything on it. Leave us a comment below and we'll get it to you. heading to his mom and dad's house, aka Grandmommy and Pa. We in the old Ford F-250. Oh, what is it?
OBS.
Yeah, OBS.
It's a 94 F-250 with a 7.3. It's our Sawmill truck. We call it Mel. I don't know if y'all know who Mel Tillis is or not, but he wrote a song way back in the 70s called Sawmill. If you have anything to do with sawmills, you might want to listen to it because there's a lot of truth to it. So, anyway.
That song was actually written about his dad, because his dad used to work at a sawmill as well. And he's actually kin to Will Tillis. So, little fun fact.
So y'all gonna check it out.
We're gonna come to his mom and dad's house. One thing that I absolutely love is his dad was a farmer pretty much his entire life. Wesley was a farmer before he became a lineman. So the corn's not quite ready, but we're gonna see if we can't find us a couple of ears of corn. Some corn. We got some okra. Got some beans over there. Got some more corn. Did you find us some?
We got enough for supper.
So,
Ain't nothing like just breaking corn. Break your corn and go boil it. Corn on the cob for supper at night.
yeah.
And okra.
And some okra. Some fried okra.
If y'all know this or not, but we grow peaches in Florida too. Loaded down. Good old Florida peaches. These daddies. Got peaches on one side and garden on the other. Back there's their house. So.
My little boutique I got going on inside of our house. Let's go see what Wesley's doing. What are you doing, babe?
Oh, you know, just got some chicken on the grill.
Yum.
Got some corn we're gonna put on the grill, and then some okra that we're gonna fry that we've got at Mom and Daddy's little garden. And pretty much wrap up our Sunday. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment whether you like our videos. If you don't like our videos, tell us you don't like it. You know, we ain't always right what we do, but we're gonna do something, even if it's wrong. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Stick around for the next one.